If Facebook is showing you an error message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix that can solve the problem in just a few minutes. Whether Facebook is not loading properly, you're seeing a generic error message, or the page keeps failing to refresh, there are a couple of easy things you can try right away. This guide is perfect if you want a quick fix without going through complicated settings or wasting time troubleshooting step by step on your own. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is refresh the page. This may sound simple, but a lot of Facebook errors are temporary and can disappear after a quick reload. If you're on a computer, click the refresh button in your browser or press the reload shortcut on your keyboard. If you're on a phone, close the Facebook app or browser tab and open it again. Sometimes that alone is enough to clear the issue and get the page working normally again. If refreshing the page does not fix the problem, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily trigger Facebook error messages, especially if the app is trying to load too much data at once. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test which one works better. If you're on a computer, you can also try opening another website to confirm whether your internet is working normally. If other sites are loading slowly too, then the issue is probably your connection rather than Facebook itself. Now, if your connection is fine and the error is still showing, you should clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store temporary files that can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause Facebook to display strange errors or fail to load correctly. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Browsing Data, and clear the cached files and cookies. After that, close the browser completely and reopen Facebook again. In many cases, this gives you a clean start and fixes the error message instantly. If you're using the Facebook app, the same idea applies. Old app data can sometimes create loading problems, so restarting the app or clearing its stored data can help. After clearing the cache or cookies, try logging back in and checking whether the error message is gone. It's also a good idea to keep your browser or app updated because older versions can sometimes run into compatibility issues. So to quickly recap, the main steps are to refresh the page, check your internet connection, and clear your browser cache and cookies. These simple fixes solve a lot of common Facebook error messages without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If one step doesn't work, move on to the next until Facebook starts loading normally again. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.